went out. Let me see. Play in the rain. All of you here. Very good, very good. Hardly we get rain, yes. So it's important.
I played the rain, but inside my house by putting my hands out of the window.
Yeah, that's it. But mostly, when such rain is there, your parents will not allow you. Yeah, they will catch cold. Yeah, and after catching it, you can't what? Throw it.
Exactly. My father used to allow me. He also used to play with me.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I go for a drive.
Good. Okay. Today I'll teach you a new topic. You already know it, but still. You have learned it, I think, in grade 3, grade 4 and all. Yes.
Yeah.
Pronouns. Can anybody tell me what pronoun is? Exactly. Can you give me an example for pronoun? Yes.
A noun, a particular noun.
Okay. A particular noun, instead of which you have to use another word. For example, I'm talking to you. Yeah. I'm talking to Farah or I'm talking to Nirupama. Nirupama is a good girl. Okay. I'm writing it. Okay. Nirupama is a good girl. Nirupama, okay, comes to school on time. Nirupama does not fight with. Does she fight?
Yes.
Then I should write does fight with, yeah?
No, ma'am.
Fight with anybody.
Ma'am, this is foul. Write my name also.
Nirupama studies well. It goes on and on and on. Did you notice something? When I wrote, I kept on writing Nirupama. Don't you feel it's awkward? Every time Nirupama is a good girl, Nirupama comes to school on time. Every time I'm repeating the name, we don't feel like, we don't feel that there is no flow for it, yeah? Instead of the second one, the third one, and the fourth time, what word can you use?
She.
She. Now you read it.
She comes to school on time. She does not fight with anybody. She studies well.
Exactly. What is she doing there? She stands for Nirupama. Nirupama, as per grammatical terms, what is it Nirupama? Nirupama is a noun. Something that stands for a noun is called
Pronoun.
pronoun. Okay? This is what we are going to learn. Pronoun, as in science, all those things you learn. So many types of things are there. Earth's atmosphere, there are different types of, so many layers are there for the atmosphere. Just like that, pronouns are also classified into different types. Okay? Today, we are going to learn personal pronouns. From this name itself, you can make out personal, something related to us. Yeah? What is my name?
Sona.
I. When I say about myself, I always say Sona. Sona likes speech. This Sona likes speech. That. No. What do I say? I. Exactly. Yeah? And I'm asking something to Nafisa. Can you give which word I use? Yes. Can you give Sona this or can you give me this?
Can you
Give me this. Yeah? How many are there? When I tell this, how many people are there? One. We call this first person singular. I and me. Okay? This is singular. There is when we all are there, or at least Maria and Manzura together, they are talking something. What would they say? They both want to go to play. Yes. What is the word they would say? Would they say Maria and Manzura want to go out? They would say
We.
we. Means more people are there, more than one. We always use the word plural to refer to them. And we is first person. It's always about you or the person who's talking about. Who's talking? You or me. It's always you in the sense we. For example, Nafisa and Nizina, they both are talking. They want something. What do they say? We. Just now they said we want to go out. Yeah? We want to go out. They are not telling Nizina and Nafisa want to go out. They are saying we want to go out. Talking about themselves. Their idea they are expressing. Yes? Their wish. So it is we. From we, what could be again another one? Can you give?
Me.
That's okay, singular. What about plural?
Us.
Us. Exactly. Us. Got it?
Yes.
Now, Manzura, you stand up. What is the word that I used?
You.
Riva, you come here. Yeah? Or, Manzura, did you bring your book? Yes. Riva, did you bring your book? I'm using you. I'm asking both Shekha and Anaga. Shekha and Anaga did you. Same word. For one person also I used you. For two people also I used you. That's a speciality. We call it. I, as a person, I'm talking to you. So you is called second person. Okay? Second person. The speciality is both singular and plural same. Whether it's one person, many people, what is the word you use? You. It's always you. Same thing. Can you give? Can I give this to? Instead of Nafisa, what can I use? You. Yeah? Here also. It's the whole class. Grade 5A, did you bring your books?
Yes.
I ask like that, yeah?
Yes.
Do I ask something else? For 5A also I use you. For Farah also I use you. Okay? Whether singular or plural, it is the same. Okay? You. Can you give, can I take your books? Can I take
Your
books? First example I wrote, Nirupama. What did I write instead of one?
She.
Actually, I and you are talking about her. I and you are talking about her. Or I and you are talking about Abhishek. Him. Or Manzura and Srinidhi are talking about grade 5B girls.
Then.
Yes. Which is, what is the difference? When we talk about Abhishek, how many are there?
One.
When about 5B?
Many.
That's why I used there. Instead of 5B, they are talking about a cat. They are not talking about their pet dog. They are talking about their pencil box. It. Yes? Correct? So, we, that is me and you, talking about another person, a third person. Okay? That's why we call it third person. Singular. Singular is he, she, and it. Okay. What about plural? 5B. Instead of 5B, you can say them and. Did you understand this much?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you take the back side of your classwork? I'll just give you some questions. Just check. Dash is my best friend. Don't say the answer, you just write she or her. Okay? These flowers are for dash. Yes. Right to that. Make sure that you use the correct one. See, both the given ones are personal pronouns. She as well as her. Okay? You have to use the correct one. After this, we have to learn some other types of pronouns like demonstrative. This is just personal pronouns, okay? I, we, you, they, he, she, it, me, us, him, her. Did it? Okay, I'll ask. Everybody finished? Okay. Only 5 questions. You can write fast. Everybody finished, Sharon? Yeah, of course.